It's not a mall, it's a building. KSL. See, read no? DJI showroom we will go. The same thing.
We have to go by drone. What's the service?
Oh my god. These are agricultural drones. So huge. Oh my god. Just the propeller itself is so huge. Oh my god. Probably the biggest ones I have seen. Same like how we are buying the smaller drone. These are huge drones. These are agricultural drones. We came here and it's out of stock. Yeah. Okay, so finally we bought this. See. Huh? Wireless, yeah. Now the audio should be better in the videos. So we got it from Phantom. I just took his number. We wanted to be
So we came in DJI showroom, but we could not get a drone because it's a new launch, so they don't have stock. We came in, this is the third one. So right now we are going to Central Plaza Mall. We'll see there if they have stock or not. So we are on our way.
I was standing outside waiting for you. You were always taking time.
Yeah. We came to another place. Fifth floor. We have to go down. Go. So right now we came to Central Mall because afternoon wherever we went, Mini 3 was out of stock. So we found out that it's there in Central Mall. That's why we came to Central Plaza.
Check it out now, how the price
Yeah. DJI? Wow. Yeah. So that's where we are going to go. Asala, excited?
Excited, we are going to buy drone so that we can show the place, right? The shooting is little difficult. If we have drone, we can show within one shot.
Yes, that's why. Go. Yep. So finally we reached.
He will tell I don't. So we came here to buy drones. You know, I see the drone are different.
Yeah.
Then this what kind of drone?
This is FPV drone. This we can't fly. We don't have experience.
Okay.
This is very fast. Okay.
It's like a chopper, no?
Yeah.
Look like.
This is the one
Which we are going to buy. This one.
But I wonder you ask it.
This one, right? So right now we have to open and trial this. Huh?
369 เนาะ
369หรือ379 379
เอาได้แล้วซื้อที่ไหนกว่า
300
339.
ก็ไม่ใช่ฟรี179
Then we know how the battery is
Battery and everything is here only.
long lasting. I mean, how many hours do you use?
30 minutes.
minutes
30 minutes. Yeah.
Very less time. No?
Yeah, that's why I wanted to buy additional batteries also, but they don't have it in stock.
so do you need to update firmware or
Yes. Can you please help?
around 30 minutes
Huh?
around 30 minutes to update
It'll take 30 minutes.
and activate
Then you can activate. Oh, but
spare of popular
okay,
one pair
okay,
and charger inside
okay. Uh huh. Yeah.
Okay, you have to control from the.
Yeah.
one press and one hold
Okay. Yeah. I have DJ Roninus, so same.
This is like the phone we have to activate. We can use.
Sorry.
You can use like a randomly. We have to activate this.
Yeah, you have to activate.
you need to activate which country sir
India.
No, don't activate India. Activate with Thailand.
oh activate in Thailand
Yeah, I'll tell you why. 1 second. Enter that.
What are they? This one 9778.
Yeah, N778. Yeah.
at Gmail right
Yeah.
ของเนาะ N778
Not heavy, like it's like kids play.
right you create a password please okay
Right? So expensive. It's like a small kids play.
ค่ะโอเคเนาะ activate นะคะ
Yes.
activate โอเค
But this, we know, we don't need internet anything. We have to do, right? No internet. Directly we have to just.
You always take off นะ don't forget to take off the cover
Okay.
okay
We can start it now.
okay
Showing now.
yeah มี change my battery นะ for you first for our update
Okay.
Oh, that is the battery, right?
yeah one press and one hold
Nah, butterfly. Why are you showing? You know, you have to come and see it because you will play.
But don't worry, I have watched enough YouTube videos.
But at least you have to do also, right?
Huh?
Seeing is something different.
Okay. Now update, no? From where?
Yes.
Okay.
It will take 30 minutes, right?
Yes, around 30 minutes. Yes.
Around 30 minutes. Okay. Then let's go buy the
You-
micro SD.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, we don't have it.
Yeah, yeah.
Then come.
You have SD card?
No, don't have. Big camera is okay. Big camera or Jeep.
Huh?
Jeep. JIB or big camera. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Right now we came to a mobile shop to put the drone glass, camera glass. Because it's easy to fall down, so this is controlling. So we have to put temporary glass this. Here you have lots of phone cover collection. So guys, now we are leaving. Everything is done. We bought drone and we put the temporary glass also. So now we are going home.